Hey everyone, today we are celebrating a special milestone, Zainab Ansari, who has completed 3 years with Hike Education. From her early days to now become a TL, she has faced through number of challenges. So let's hear from her. Hi Zainab.
Hi Aman.
So Zainab, what is the first word comes into your mind when you go through with your 3 years of journey?
So if I would like to tell you about my 3 years of journey, I believe one word is not enough to justify that journey, right? Because being from a BTech student, I am a BTech graduate, right? Joining from there to this non-IT domain, because I am from tech and right now I am working in HR department, right? Joined as a fresher, then got promoted, and eventually when I got promoted, I got a lot of responsibilities as well with that, right? So overcoming all the hurdles and achieving milestones, and I want to push my limits right now as well, right? So this journey, if I want to justify, is I can say that is a roller coaster ride, right? That is full of adventures, because a journey is never complete without sorrow, happiness, and multiple aspects. So this is about my first year journey.
Can you recall a moment that pushed you out from your comfort zone?
Yes, definitely, Aman, right? See, if I'll tell you about that particular moment, so initially I only used to hire like executives profile, like BDEM, BDM. So there is a moment when I got a profile that is of the most senior profile in Hike Education, that will be directly reporting to our CEO, we can say, right? So for that particular profile, I pushed out of like myself from the comfort zone, right, where I have to think out of the box as well. Because to hire that particular role, we just not have to check the eligibility criteria. We have to check other aspect as well, like what kind of personality and other thing that I learned as well as an associate, but that is something it forced me as well a lot.
How has stepping into the team leader role changed your profile outlook?
So if I want to tell you about that change, or we can say the evolution that I have done, that how I evolved in that particular profile, right? So when I used to handle the team from the beginning, right, working as an individual contributor, that is only my responsibility only to work for myself, right? But while handling the team is something that I have to look after the other people as well, to nurture them as well. And one thing that I learned is how to work with the different personalities. That is, we can say diversity, right? Because every individual have their own personality, we can say, their own way of doing their work. So tackling with them, working with them, giving them multiple strategies, learning from them is all that I learned as a leadership.
What was the driving force behind you to move from Uttarakhand to here?
So if I tell you about that particular thing that makes me to relocate from the city of land, forest, mountains, we have a peace there, Aman, if you are aware, if you've been there, Uttarakhand, right? So I want to do something for myself and for the family who have done everything for me till now. I want myself to go out from my comfort zone and to achieve growth. And this is a harsh fact that there in Uttarakhand, we don't have that much growth opportunities in corporate and other thing. So that makes me to relocate from there to here.
What have you learned about building and nurturing the strong teams?
Team is all about catering multiple personality, working with different ideologies, mindset, because every person have their own characteristics. Some have that particular a positive thing, we cannot say negative, but this is something we cannot say that they have their zone of comfort with that another aspect, right? So if I'll tell you what I learned, to work with different personalities, make them realize that we different personality can work with each other for one goal. That is just to work for that particular organization, to set themselves that this is our benchmark, we are the performer, and performing and unlocking multiple things in the Hike Education. That's it.
Looking back, what advice would you give the day one of yourself?
I cannot say the advice, but for me the only mantra is, if you have a clear mindset to achieve your goal, and the day when you make your goal aligned with the organization goal, then you can achieve anything. You have a clear mindset to perform, to achieve, and to claim. This is all about the mantra.
Can you tell me something about that one person who had made a significant role in your professional development?
Telling you about one leader is not an easy again, because in these 3 years I work with so many leaders, and not only leaders, I get learning from every associate, every individual, but the one person who impact me a lot is Mr. Mayank, right? Because from the initial level till now, I used to work with Mr. Mayank only, right? His learning, his loyalty towards the organization, the mindset he carries, and how he manage all the department and everything is inspiring for me a lot.
That's great. What kind of culture and future prospectus you are looking for with Hike Education?
When I talk about my future, so I personally believe that a person who is looking for growth, he or she should have the right platform, and Hike Education is always there for the people who want to do something extraordinary or to achieve milestones in their career. So my only aim right now with Hike Education is to explore multiple other departments as well, and to get good, like we can say, opportunities in future as well to work with.
Thank you Zainab for your constant support, strength and spirit with Hike Education. Stay tuned for more stories and milestones with #Life at Hike.